Are you ready for some spine-chilling Halloween DIY decor? Then you are in right place.
Hi guys, welcome back to my channel. If you are new here, this is Shantani and you are watching DIY already. You are welcome. And please take a minute to subscribe to my channel if you haven't done yet. And also click the like button if you really like this video.
This year I mostly use myself to decor if it makes sense. I must say I shopped clever this time, only bought those items which I can use for multiple purposes, and you will see what I mean by that. So the tip is shop less, shop clever and be creative.
Today's video is all about some DIY Halloween decor and I did them literally in few bucks. So sit tight and enjoy.
Remember the photo frame I found in Dollar Tree? It inspired me a lot, so I decided to make my own. I bought this frame from Goodwill for I guess at 50 cents. These poster boards are from Dollar Tree. They sell 2 for $1. I thought, who has got better ghostly feature than me? So I decided to take up a selfie to make a mirror ghost. I didn't do any makeup because I wanted to get a sad look. You can definitely put some makeup on and look like a pretty witch instead. After some quick editing, I got this look and printed out. I printed 2 copies for 2 different projects. So I'm gonna go ahead and trace the frame on poster board. Then I will leave a little margin on all 4 sides and cut it out. I used hot glue for this because I wanted it to dry as soon as I applied, but you can definitely use a different glue that will give you a neater look, I guess. After that, I glued one printed photo on that poster board. I have printed on glossy paper to get that mirror effect. These foam pumpkins are from Goodwill and I spent around $1.99 for 4 of them. They are brand new, so I think the price is reasonable. I took the white one out and I'm gonna go ahead and draw a face on it using a black acrylic paint and a small paintbrush. These eyeballs are from Dollar Tree and as I mentioned before, I'm gonna use them for various projects. I bought this fake blood from Art Thrift Store for 98 cents and I'm gonna pour a few drops on this wine glass with an eyeball in it. This ceramic snake I got from Goodwill for 99 cents and the realistic look of rattlesnake will make the decoration more creepy. This pine cone is from our yard. Remember the flowers I bought from Walmart? Well, I'm gonna use them in so many different ways today. Just hot gluing an eyeball in the middle will intensify the look of it. After adding a few candles, this corner of the house looks like there is something sinister about it. So that was my first DIY. For the second one, I just gave the flowers in a long neck vase. Let's get started the third one. I'm gonna go ahead and kind of cut out the outline. I already had this plastic sack for rice at home and I'm gonna use it to surround the cutout. After staging it with the foam pumpkins and candles, it looks perfect for Halloween. For my fourth DIY, I'm going to use a wreath ring and some maple leaves from Dollar Tree. I'm gonna go ahead and make a spider net with some old white yarn. Then I tuck the flowers with the leaves into the wreath. After that, I'm gonna hot glue the pumpkin I prepared before. And then some pine cones from the yard. To fill the large gaps in the yarn, I will use the hot glue gun to pull some threads of glue across the yarn so that it looks like a real spider net in the fake one, if it makes sense. Then lay the fabric from the Dollar Tree store on the flat surface like a hard floor or table. Place the wreath on it and tuck the fabric into the wreath. I got 4 small skeletons from Dollar Tree for $1 and I'm going to place one of them on the fabric. I will wrap some thread around the neck to suspend the skeleton, but you can hot glue as well. And this is the final look. So I told you in my other video that I'm gonna grab one of these and got this black and white spider, but I didn't want to end it up like thousands others, so I decided to change the look. For my 5th DIY, I downloaded a snake picture from Google and printed out and cut out the outline. I'm gonna use it later. My local Goodwill is giving 50% off for yellow stickers and 99 cents for green stickers as Halloween sale. You should check in your local stores too. These are brand new and I spent total $1.50 I guess for both of them. For that price I got 2 skeletons and some good quality spiders. I am gonna spray 2 of the legs so that I can attach the skull in between. Then grabbed a tissue paper and I'm gonna make a bow tie with it. This is fairly easy step. Now I'm gonna hot glue it with the skull. I'm gonna go ahead and highlight the teeth and eye sockets with this fake blood. Then I'm gonna attach these eyeballs with hot glue. I cut out some extra pieces which was visible through the teeth. Now I'm gonna make a hat with this black poster board and hot glue it with the skull. Attached the snake I downloaded and now gonna attach a little spider. Now I am using that black fabric the same way I used before. I will tie a little rope to hang it on the door. Took some loose leaves and tucked them on the fabric. I think the final look is really uncanny. I got this candy jar from Party City a while ago. I don't remember the price. I took the lid and draw the outline. I should have used a scale, but this was available at that moment, so I used it to draw the outline of a coffin. It should be no larger than the diameter of the lid. These are the cutout for my 6th DIY. I'm gonna go ahead and draw an outline for the headstone. I bought this self-adhesive marble print paper from Walmart. I'm gonna go ahead and give the headstone a marble stone-like look. The headstone is complete. Now the remaining part. I placed the coffin on the circular piece and marked where I want to have the trees. Now hot gluing the headstone. It's time to attach the trees. They are from my backyard. I painted few of them red and glued some red glitters as well. After gluing all the branches, I placed the coffin in. Now I'm gonna fold the paper and draw an outline of a bat. After I cut it out, I hot glued it with a string and attached the other end of the string to the jar. It's time to add the skeleton and some spiders and also some moss. I think this came out really cool. So for 7th DIY, I bought 3 pumpkins from Dollar Tree and sprayed them gold. After that, wrote boo and drew some spooky stuff like date tree, witch, bat and things like that with a black permanent marker. Then decorated them with some flowers and fairy lights. For 8th DIY, I bought this ceramic pumpkin from Goodwill and painted the stalk gold and half of the pumpkin celery green. Then put some fairy lights inside and it looked gorgeous.
Which one of these is your favorite? Please comment below and let me know. I would love to know your opinion. Thank you so much for watching my video. Please take a minute to subscribe to my channel if you are still thinking of doing that, and also click the like button if you really like this video. I'm coming every week with my new video, so stay tuned and stay well. Till then, bye. Can you say bye to the camera? I love you.